Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn DoorDash credits. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and earn DoorDash credits so that you can reduce your food costs. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's open up DoorDash, then click on Me on the bottom right-hand corner, then click on Settings, then scroll down and click on Payment, and then scroll down again. And we're going to click on Invite Friends to earn credits. So in order to earn credits on DoorDash, all you've got to do is send someone your referral link to get them to use DoorDash. If someone uses your referral link, you'll get $5 in credits when they place their first order of over $20 or more. When you also send them your link, they'll also get $5 off. So there you have it, guys. That right there has been the best way that I've been able to earn DoorDash credits. And if you're interested in using my link to sign up for DoorDash, you'll get $5 off your first order. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.